Welcome back. So we've been doing a bunch of research on cocktails, and interestingly enough, we've stumbled onto a lot of cocktails we've never heard of, cocktails that are really old, that have literally been around for over 100 years, 150 years. And this is one of them that I actually never heard of. It's called the Martinez. It dates back to the first written accounts in some recipe books back into the 1880s. So it's been around. It's got pretty simple ingredients, which is the kind of cocktails we like to make. So here we go. The Martinez is going to have 2 ounces of gin. We're using Roku gin. This is one we found. First of all, it's a great value. It's about $25 to $28 or so. It's a Japanese gin, and Roku is the Japanese word for 6. It has 6 botanicals in it. So that's a great gin to use. We enjoy it every day. It's going to have Martini and Rossi sweet red vermouth, Luxardo Maraschino cherry liqueur. Use a tiny little bit of it. This comes in smaller bottles because you really don't use that much of it, and to save a little money you could get a smaller bottle. We're going to use 2 dashes of Angosturo bitters, and then our garnish is also going to match one of the liqueurs. It's going to be Luxardo cherries, okay? And one of the things that we have found also in doing research is a new company of bar products. This glass it's called a Nick and Nora glass, and this is made by a company called Viski, V-I-S-K-I. And our cocktail skewer here is also by Viski, and they make a lot of really cool products. And yes, I do hope that they sponsor us, and they just don't know it yet. So we're going to make our cocktail. So we're going to start with the 2 ounces of the Roku gin, or a gin that you like. This is one that there are so many gins out there with different flavor profiles. You can play around with them and find the one that you like the best. We're going to use 3/4 of an ounce of the sweet red vermouth. Again, this is one, sweet red vermouth can overpower a cocktail pretty easily. So figure out what your balance is, what you like to see and like to taste. And this is going to be a 1/4 ounce of the Luxardo Maraschino cherry liqueur. Okay. So that's our liquor. We're going to add 2 dashes of Angosturo bitters. 2 in there. All right. And then we're going to gently swirl it around to get our cocktail glass. Mix everything up. And then using our Hawthorne strainer, this is the one with the spring on it. These work great. We go into our Viski Nick and Nora glass. And then our garnish here is going to be, once again, those Luxardo cherries. Cheers, folks. Oh, that one got a little full. Too bad. Take care. Be safe, folks. Enjoy. That's tasty.